Korea is still alive. The thing is, you just pass by. I have a favorite place where you can eat and sightsee a lot, but also really underrated both by tourists and locals. I'm going there today. Took up the subway. Even the station is specially designed with activist photos who supported Korea's independence from Japan. Do you get where it is? The answer is Anguk. I went to a cafe first to get something to drink and get some energy. A traditional Korean house, Hanok was remodeled and the view outside was really nice. I had some time to draw meanwhile. I went outside again and the weather was clear. Both Bukchon-hado village and Changdeokgung are near Anguk station. I chose to visit the latter. It was a little bit late in the afternoon, so I couldn't get in the secret garden. Got in. Staying beneath the roofs was cooler. Changdeokgung is a palace, so it was quiet. I love this vibe. Well, didn't let you know what it is. It's a palace of the Joseon dynasty. It's located at the east side of Gyeongbokgung. The main palace that dealt with the governance was Gyeongbokgung, which was destroyed in the late 15th century by the invasion of Japan. And then Changdeokgung served as the main palace for a while. It's better with a parasol, even if it's a little bit, and there are a lot of buildings used in the palace. Got to the souvenir shop to get some water. I was thirsty. Water is a must when it's hot. Decided to take a look for a little more. Getting hungry, gotta get some eat, passing Bukchon-hado village by, and got here to cool my body off this. Unhyeongung. I didn't know there was a place like this. There was a building with AC, so it felt like I was safe. Didn't know there are so many different palaces. I looked around as if it was maze. And near the palace is the first elementary school of Korea. I didn't know that either. They put a monument, maybe it means a lot to them. Most of all, the school is still teaching children. This time, I'm really at the restaurant. I'll get some bibimbap. Is this really for a person? I'm sure I'll feel full. How to eat this is simple. On the rice, put the vegetables and the sauce, and then mix them all together. I believe the bibimbap is quite similar to sandwich because you can get vegetables, carbs, and protein at once. The last place I've gone to is Insa동. There are a lot of Korean traditional goods and I visit here to get inspirations for design. My favorite is Charms. I skipped cafe with traditional drinks, but I do recommend them. After this brief trip to Insa동, I went to Cheongak Station to get back home. It's not that far from there. After that, I opened my gift for myself, a pinkies with Korean traditional technique. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye!